Model, 69-plate Peugeot Boxer Relay 335 Pro L3h2 Blue HDI spares or repairs. Good mileage. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 1200. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link.